In this video, we'll be showing you how to set a mouse trap. If you do have a mouse problem, I would recommend getting more than one trap, as if you have one mouse, there are likely many others. Here we have a simple little mouse trap that we got off of Amazon, and it came in about a pack of 6. If you're interested in a trap like this, we'll be leaving an affiliate link down in the description. If you purchase it off of there, then we will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. The first step to setting these traps is you need to load the bait tray. As you can see on the bottom, there is going to be a little panel which you will rotate counterclockwise, and then you can pull it free from the trap. Now you are ready to load it with your bait of choice. I would recommend using a peanut butter or a jelly as your bait. You want to use something that will allow the mouse to stay there for a while and try and get as much food as he can, rather than just taking a piece of cheese and running away. Once the bait has been loaded, then you're going to reinsert it into the trap. Slide it into the slot and then rotate it clockwise to lock it into place. You are now ready to set it up at the location in which you have mice. When placing your trap, it's important to put it in a spot where the mice could easily access, whether it be a garage door or if there's some other opening in the wall. And to set the trap, simply push back on the lever and it will lock into place. Now the trap is primed and ready to go. If you hit the tongue around the peanut butter, then it will snap closed. As an example here, we took a little piece of cardboard, and as you can see, once we put it onto the trap, then it snaps closed and bites down onto it. If your trap did catch something, then thankfully it's very easy to remove. Simply grab the back and squeeze it together. This will open up the jaws, and if you push it far enough, it will relock the trap back into place. And that is how you set a mouse trap. Thanks for watching.